Introducing the 2025 Land Rover Discovery Dynamic SE, a premium SUV that combines sophisticated luxury, advanced technology, and confident performance. Finished in Carpathian Grey Premium Metallic, this 2025 Land Rover Discovery Dynamic SE, with only 8,486 miles, offers a fantastic combination of luxury, technology, and versatility. Under the hood, the 3.0-liter inline-six engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive for a refined and capable driving experience. Inside, you'll also find a power moonroof adds an extra touch of luxury, while automatic high-beam headlights provide added convenience. One of the top features is the MHEV Pro connected navigation system, giving you intuitive navigation and connectivity to help make every journey easier. With a luxurious leather interior, this Discovery is ready for both everyday driving and your next adventure. Contact our dealership for more details.